Welcome to Flipdrop, the channel dedicated to finding the most profitable and undersaturated products to dropship on AliExpress. Let's begin. Our first product is the face mask handbag. To encourage everyone to wear a mask for public health, we would like to present you a completely unique handbag design, the face mask handbag. This handbag is made of high-quality environmental protection material. Despite its small size, it has an extremely large storage capacity, durable, and easy to accommodate a variety of daily necessities. Now this item is in the fashion accessory niche. It's a quirky product with a wow factor. It's an evergreen product, meaning you can sell all year round. This item is not overly saturated with only 130 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has over 2,000 likes and over 800 comments and 1,400 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $25.99 and the product cost is $19.92. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a profit of $16.07. Our next product is the Magnetic Mini GPS Tracker. This small tracking system includes a SIM card, fits into your pocket, attaches to your car, fits into luggage, or can be hidden discreetly to ensure you have maximum visibility at all times. Tracks movement in real time with Google Maps via web-based software or the Silver Cloud app for reliable live tracking of people, vehicles, or assets, and receive up-to-date text and email alerts. Now this item is in the automotive niche. It has the wow factor. It's an evergreen product. We feel this item has a lot of potential for a one-product store. This item is not saturated with only 40 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has over 4,000 likes and over 700 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $29.95 and the product cost is $5.54. The shipping for this item is 59 cents, leaving you with a profit of $23.86. Next item is the Handheld Nebulizer. This handheld nebulizer is a wonderful tool to have at home to help with easier breathing. This portable nebulizer adopts the latest mesh and ultrasonic technology to create fine mist particles for easier absorption, providing instant relief for you. It's made with medical-grade materials that are safe and non-toxic. The device is very easy to use and is perfect for children and great for the elderly. Now this item is in the very lucrative self-care niche. It's an evergreen product. Would be perfect for a one-product store. This item is not saturated with only 135 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 2,000 likes and over 500 comments and 700 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $39.95 and the product cost is $20.96. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a profit of $18.99. Next item is the ultrasonic insect killer. Did you know that bed bugs and dust mites are a leading cause of allergies, illnesses, and breathing problems in adults and young children? Mites and bed bugs trigger inflamed skin, blocked noses, eczema, flu symptoms, acne, and other common health issues. With the ultrasonic guard bed bug killer, you can eliminate these dangerous pests without needing to use harmful chemicals or excessively changing your current routine. It uses electromagnetic waves that attack the pest's central nervous system and auditory systems and eradicates them for good. Now this item is in the homeware/personal care niche. It's an evergreen product. Would be perfect for a one-product store. This item has a broad market appeal. This item is not overly saturated with only 200 orders on AliExpress. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 4,000 likes and over 500 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $39.95 and the product cost is $20.96. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a profit of $18.99. Next up is the Smart Jump Rope. Take your fitness and training to the next level with the Smart Jump Rope. Set your daily exercise target and the Smart Jump Rope will alert you when you've reached a specific number of jumps, calories burned, or time spent exercising. It's like your own private coach. Now this item is in the health and fitness niche. It's an evergreen product, meaning you can sell all year round. Would be perfect for a one-product store. This item has a broad market appeal. Good seller on AliExpress with over 270 orders so far. The Facebook ad for this item is relatively new with just over 300 likes. Now the selling price for this item is $29.99 and the product cost is $16.30. The shipping for this item is $2.25, leaving you with a profit of $11.44. Our last item is the Smart Car Pocket. This Smart Car Pocket is designed to instantly complete your car with all the extra storage space you need. Very useful and fit perfectly in the unused spaces between the seats and consoles and makes it almost impossible for your items to get lost again. Made of high-grade PU leather and fit every car, so no matter what car you're driving, this unique pocket will fit in easily and effectively organize your items scattered on the seat like your phone, keys, bills, and make it easy to reach anything that accidentally dropped down. Now this item is in the automotive niche. It's an evergreen product. It's a quirky, unusual product. This item has a broad market appeal. Proven seller on AliExpress with over 390 orders so far. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 15,000 likes and just under 4,000 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $22.99 and the product cost is $5.10. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a profit of $17.89. If you are looking for the Facebook targeting, head over to www.flipdrop.co.uk where you can find a targeting graph for each item. All 100% free, no opt-in or registration needed.